Hey there, design lovers. Ever found yourself scrolling through Pinterest or Instagram, admiring stunning rooms, and thinking, wait, what's the difference between modern and contemporary? Or why does this space feel so warm and inviting, while that one is all sleek and minimalist? With so many interior design styles out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Some spaces feel like a cozy hug. Others look like they belong in a high-end magazine. But what exactly makes them different? Don't worry, we're breaking it all down today. Get ready for 15 must-know interior design styles, from effortlessly modern to timelessly classic, from rustic charm to bold, dramatic spaces. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these styles, but you'll also have a better idea of which one speaks to your personality and feels like home. 1. Modern. Modern design is all about clean lines, open spaces, and minimal clutter. It favors neutral colors, think whites, grays, and blacks, with sleek materials like glass, metal, and polished wood. If you love a home that feels fresh, airy, and fuss-free, modern might be your style. 2. Contemporary. This one is often confused with modern, but contemporary design is ever evolving. It's what's trending right now. Currently, that means soft curves, warm neutral tones, statement lighting, and organic shapes. If you want a space that always feels current, contemporary is for you. 3. Minimalist. Minimalism takes modern design even further. It's about owning fewer things but choosing them thoughtfully. Picture a space with only the essentials. No extra decor, just a focus on functionality, simplicity, and open space. It's perfect for those who believe less is more. Every item in the home has a purpose, creating a clutter-free and peaceful environment. 4. Scandinavian. Ever been to an IKEA showroom? That's Scandinavian design. It combines simplicity with coziness, light wood tones, soft textiles, and a neutral color palette with pops of muted colors. The goal? A home that feels warm, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. Natural light is key, making spaces feel bright and uplifting, while textures like wool and linen add that extra cozy touch. 5. Industrial. Think exposed brick, raw wood, metal pipes, and Edison bulbs. That's industrial design. It's inspired by old warehouses and lofts, making spaces feel rugged yet stylish. If you love a space with a little grit and character, this might be your style. It blends unfinished elements with modern comfort, creating a bold and urban chic look. 6. Bohemian, Boho. Boho design is free-spirited and full of life. It embraces layered textiles, colorful patterns, natural materials, and a mix of vintage and handcrafted pieces. If you love a home that tells a story, maybe filled with souvenirs from your travels, this style is perfect. There are no strict rules. Mix and match different cultures, textures, and eras for a truly personal and artistic space. 7. Mid-century modern. This classic style from the 50s and 60s features sleek furniture with tapered legs, bold colors like mustard yellow and teal, and geometric patterns. It's a mix of vintage and futuristic, perfect for anyone who loves retro charm with a modern touch. Clean lines and organic shapes give it a timeless feel, making it a favorite for design lovers who appreciate both nostalgia and innovation. 8. Traditional. Traditional interiors feel timeless, elegant, and refined. Think rich wood furniture, plush sofas, and classic details like crown molding. This style is perfect if you love spaces that feel sophisticated yet cozy, like a grand hotel lobby. Symmetry and classic decor elements make it feel balanced, creating a sense of warmth and familiarity. 9. Transitional. Transitional design is the perfect blend of traditional and modern. It keeps the elegance of traditional interiors, but tones it down with a more relaxed, contemporary feel. If you like a balanced, timeless look, this might be your style. It's all about mixing textures, soft neutral tones, and classic pieces with just the right amount of modern flair. 10. Coastal. Dream of living by the ocean? Coastal interiors bring the beachy vibe indoors. Think soft blues, crisp whites, light woods, and breezy fabrics. It's fresh, airy, and oh so relaxing. Natural materials like rattan, linen, and driftwood create a laid-back, vacation-like atmosphere, making every day feel like a getaway. 11. Farmhouse. Farmhouse style is cozy, charming, and full of rustic warmth. Think shiplap walls, distressed wood, and soft, neutral tones mixed with vintage-inspired decor. Whether you love the classic country look or the more modern farmhouse aesthetic, this style is all about creating a welcoming, homey space. 12. Rustic. Rustic design is raw, natural, and unpolished in the best way. It highlights reclaimed wood, exposed beams, stone, and earthy colors. It's perfect for those who love the feeling of a cozy cabin or a home that embraces the beauty of nature. 13. Hollywood Glam. Also known as Hollywood Regency, this style is all about luxury and drama. Think velvet furniture, metallic accents, statement chandeliers, and bold colors like deep purples, emerald greens, or soft pinks. If you love old Hollywood glamour, this is for you. 14. Art Deco. Geometric patterns, bold colors, glossy finishes, and a touch of luxury define Art Deco. Inspired by the 1920s and 30s, this style is all about making a statement. It's glamorous, sophisticated, and full of eye-catching details. 15. Eclectic. Can't pick just one style? Eclectic design lets you mix and match. It blends different textures, colors, and eras while still looking intentional. If you love creating a space full of personality and surprises, this is for you. And there you have it, 15 interior design styles, each with its own vibe and personality. Hopefully, this makes it easier to put a name to the styles you love, and maybe even mix and match a few to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Which style speaks to you the most? Or do you have a mix of favorites? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear. And if this video helped clear up some design confusion, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more interior inspiration. If you'd like to explore even more design styles, comment part 2 and we'll make it happen. Until next time, happy decorating.